Alright folks, good morning. This was an earlier installation, electrical installation on a pole which ran underground. That's part of the trench there. Ran underground. That is the underground conduit. Came up here and registered at the meter base. What I'm going to do is we have condemned that that first installation. We have condemned that, and we're going to be installing a 3-meter base. Then we're going to go up the wall, and our service head is going to be at the top there, somewhere in that vicinity there. So we're going to do a 3 by 50 3-core 50mm cable that's going to come here, an armored cable that's going to come all the way down straight into the wall, and we're going to install, not today, but I'm going to install the 3-meter base panel sometime. But that's the base job. So right now we're just setting up the scaffolding so that we can work safely, right? And we'll see how it goes.